In this video, we're going to go over how to create, edit, or delete skill sets as a system admin. On the menu bar, you will need to go to the settings. Here, you will find the skills section. Here you can add a skill set by clicking on the blue button. You must add the name of the skill set, for example, department. A new table will appear where you can add in individual skills for the skill set. To edit the skill set, select the pencil icon next to the skill set you wish to edit. To delete the skill set, select the trash icon next to the skill set you wish to delete.